So here the 13th question number 13, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. So here we know that first multiple is 8, then 16, 24, etc. That is 8, 16, 24, etc. up to 15th term. Here we want to find A15. A15 is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here what is A? A is 8. Since A is equal to 8 and it can be 8 plus and n is 15. Since we want to find sum of 15th term of that AP. So 15 the value of n. So 15 minus 1 into D is 8. Since it is the multiples of 8. So the answer is 8 plus 14 into 8. That is 8 plus. So 112. So that is 15th term is 120. But we want to find S15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2A. Since 2 into A is 8 plus n minus 1, 14 into D. Or you can use n by 2 into A plus L. Here first we want to find the sum using this method. 15 by 2 into 16 plus, here D is 8. Here D is 8. Then 14 into 8, 112. So the answer is 15 by 2 into 128. Then we can cancel 2 and 128. So 15 into 64. So the answer is 960. We can discuss one more question related with this topic, that is not from the textbook. That is sum of 3-digit numbers divisible by 9. Here we want to find the first 3-digit number. So we know 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and highest 3-digit number is 999. And how we can find the numbers which is divisible by 9 and it is 3-digit number. The first 3-digit number is 100 but it is not divisible by 9. So we want to find the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 9. For that we want to write first number 100. Then we can divide 100 by 9. 1 9s are 9, 10. Again 1 9s are 9. So 1 is the remainder. And how we can find the number? So for that 100 plus, we want to subtract 1 from 9, that is 9 minus 1. Then we will get the number 100 plus 8. So this is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 9. 100 divided by 9. Here how 1 9s are 9. After subtracting, we will get 1, then 10. Again in 10, 1 9s are 9, remainder 1. We want to subtract 1 from 9. That is 100 plus, since 100 is the dividend and divisor is 9. And subtract that remainder from that sum. That is 100 plus 9 minus 1. So 100 plus 8. So 108 is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 9. That is, we got A is equal to 108, and we know that 999 is divisible by 9. So that is last term, that is An is equal to 999. We want to find the sum. For that, we want to find Sn. For that, we can find the value of n. So n is equal to, using the formula, an minus a by d plus 1. What is an? An is 999 minus 108. Minus 108 by d is 9 plus 1. So this is 198 by 9 plus 1. So 891 by 9. In 89, 9 9s are 81. So 9, again 81, 9 plus 1. So how many numbers are there? There are 100 numbers. That is, we got n is equal to 100 and a is equal to 108, an is equal to 999. Then we can find S100, which is equal to n by 2, that is 100 by 2 into a plus an, that we apply here, 108 plus 999. So this is 100 by 2 is 50 into 108 plus 999. So the answer is 1107 into and 50. So the answer is 50,350. I think all of you clear the idea how we can find the value of n and how we can find the sum of n terms of NAP and how we can find the last term and first term of NAP using this method.